Alright, we're at a DIY self-serve car wash. Don't forget to hit service and then car wash mode before you wash your car. Alright, so we're about to wash the car, so don't forget car wash mode. Closes all windows, locks charge port, disables windshield, wipers, sentry mode, walkway door locks, and all of that stuff. Car wash mode will exit to your vehicle speed exceeds 15 k's an hour. There you go. So it brings up all these new details over here: screen clean mode, fold mirrors, automatic car wash, and all of the other stuff here. Also enable free roll for the ones where you go on like a conveyor belt. So to put into perspective, this is how wide the entire Jowua cloth is, pretty much across the entire bonnet of the Model Y, and I essentially got to wipe the entire car with this, and there is still additional room for drying, so it's not totally soaked yet. And so I have used this one massive cloth to wipe down the entire car, and you can see the shine from the ceramic coating. Really nice. So yeah, this one cloth definitely got the thumbs up, and look, it's sliding off ceramic coating. Does it even hold up there? Yeah, so it's wiped the entire car, entire Model Y, and still got room to suck up more water, so definitely highly recommended. And let's check out the other ones. So let's use the other cloth. There is a glove mitt type. There is also just a little square or rectangle type one that's remaining. I'm going to use that to clean the glass. So don't forget, in display there is a screen clean mode. When you hit that, you can only faintly see that it says there, clean the touchscreen with soft cloth designed for monitors and displays. Do not use cleaners, wet wipes, or dry statically charged materials. So we're just going to wipe over this. Either way, there's a screen protector on this one, so I don't think that matters too much. You can see how greasy and disgusting that looks. So I do have a bit of glass cleaner that I am actually going to use. And yeah, let's see how we go. So the one that I've got is a glass cleaner from the chemical guys. It's green, streak free. So I'll spray a little bit on the cloth. Might help if I actually open it. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that night and day difference. And you can see as I wipe, streak free, nothing else stays, pretty much dries instantly. Yes, there's a little bit of dust. Lint free cloth would be great, but microfiber to just do a quick wipe and clean. There you go, nice.